Hi friends, I just received this new shoulder pulley. It's very good for exercise, for rehab exercise or therapy if you need. It has a carrying case and it is really easy to use. You put this on your door, we're going to do it right now, and you can do your exercises like that. Let's try it. You just put it over your door, you close it, and you make sure it's tight, okay? So now that's it. You can start your therapy, your exercises. You just make sure to grab it right and firmly, and you can do any kind of exercise or therapy that you have prescribed, okay? Like this. You could sit on a chair, of course, depends on the height of your door. You could do all kind of exercises and therapies, okay? If you need, you can change the length of it. Okay, so you can have the sizes and the length that you need for your exercise or for your therapy. Okay, so this is nice, really easy to use, super easy to install, as you see. So I really recommend it if you need any kind of exercises or therapy with your arms, your hands, your back. If you need to do it sitting down or standing up. Okay, thank you.